Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Handyman University. My name is Brennan, and today we're going to be talking about unique handyman jobs that you've never thought about offering. But first, hit that subscribe button and let's get right into it. So, the first one is going to be, well, all these are going to be based kind of more of like a theme, and then the theme has a bunch of jobs around it that you'll be able to do. So the first one's going to be pet solutions, is what I call it. So the pet industry is a $20.7 billion industry in 2024, and so there's lots of money in this. Now, yes, this is different things, and for all these I'm going to give like the industry size, and yes, it's not just going to be for building pet stuff, whatever, but it gives you the idea that there is money in the industry, and everyone knows how much money people spend on their pets, right? They go great lengths to make their pets happy, healthy, whatever. So some of the things I was thinking that you could offer within this kind of category, I suppose, is building dog ramps. Now, lots of people, actually had a customer last summer I built a dog ramp for. Their dog's got a golden retriever. The hips don't work as well when they get older. Can't make it up and down the stairs. Built the ramp, can get up and down the stairs now. Nice, easy job. Catios, had one of these 3 years ago, I think it was. Didn't know what it was, had to Google it. And it's basically a outside patio for a cat, hence the name catio. And it's just an outdoor area that the cat can go through a window, through a door, whatever you want to do, and it's like an outside jungle gym for cat. And believe it or not, people do build these, and they can get quite expensive as well, so something to look into. And another one I have is installing cat doors, dog doors. Done a few of these as well. These can be pretty quick and easy money depending on the setup or the size of the door that they're putting in. And then lastly, you could build dog houses and sell them on the side of your street, Facebook, Craigslist, whatever. And so that's kind of the first one. Going into number 2 here is the home gym setup. So home gyms are growing in popularity. They have been since COVID basically. And the home gym is a $11.3 billion industry. And so some of the things you could do within this category would be to assemble and install gym equipment. People order stuff online, need it put together, whatever, right? Kind of just set up their equipment. And another one is you could just renovate the whole room as a whole. You could finish off the basement area, stud it, sheetrock it, whatever, paint it, flooring, all the good stuff that goes into it, lighting, kind of upgrade spaces within all that as well. And then just go ahead and assemble all of the gym equipment, kind of offer a complete package. You could go in and kind of renovate an area, say we do gyms, blah, 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 put mirrors up on the wall. You could do a lot with this, right? So that's kind of what I was thinking along with that. You could kind of be the specialist within that category in your area. And you could really just make that, all of these could be their own businesses as a whole, but they're all stuff you can offer within your handyman business. Going into number 3 is a home office builder. Again, home offices have been on the rise since COVID, and they're only going to continue to rise as it's expected to grow from a $30 billion industry up to a $111 billion industry by 2032. So that is a massive growth in the next few years, and definitely something that more people are going to be looking for. So again, you can come in, be the authority in this category, go in, renovate a room or build a room from scratch, finish off a basement, whatever, upgrade the lighting. You're going to build desks, assemble their desks, bookshelves, all that, assemble, build. Just kind of go through, put in sound suppression, there we go. And yeah, just kind of go through all that as well. Another thing that maybe you haven't thought about, and again, you can kind of break down all the jobs within that as well. So going into number 4 is going to be a garage renovator. So go in there and kind of like flip garages or turn them into man caves, kind of do a theme, maybe like sports or different brands that they like, different things like that. Go in, renovate it all, kind of just flip a garage, right? Make it into something special, make it from this dreary whatever, go ahead and organize it, put up shelving, redo the floor, all this stuff, right? Again, another thing you could offer, come in, here's a package, I can completely renovate your garage, here's what we're gonna do for this price, here's the theme, here's the design, make a design, boom. Again, could be its own business for sure, but something you could offer as your handyman, kind of start there, and then grow into that just as a business in the future, you never know. And lastly here we have number 5, which is gardening solutions. Gardening is a $133 billion industry, and again, this comes down to you can build raised garden boxes, you can build fences, you can do build fountains, koi ponds, different rockwork structures. Like there's a lot you can really do in this niche as well. So again, great things. Maybe you haven't thought about some of these services. Hopefully some of these spark maybe an idea in your mind and you get running with them, make some money, right? So if this list helped you, write a comment down below, maybe something that you liked or something you would change. And thanks for watching.